Hi everyone! I'm so excited today because I'm showing you how to use my favorite beauty device. I know you agree, dealing with unwanted facial hair is a constant struggle. We need an easy, quick, and painless way to erase hair on our upper lips, chins, and cheeks. That's why we have the Finishing Touch Flawless, the instant and painless facial hair remover. This beauty device is absolutely perfect for lips and chin touch-ups or for removing peach fuzz instantly. So, let's show you how it works. First, you have to install the battery and get things running. Installation is easy. You just pop the flawless cap off, grab the upper section of the unit with one hand, bottom half with the other, and pull to reveal the battery chamber. The unit does come with a AA battery. You just slide that in, put the pieces back together, and you're good to go. Now, using the Finishing Touch Flawless is incredibly easy. Slide the switch located on the side of the unit upward onto the on position. You'll see a light that turns on telling us the device is active. To begin, gently press the 18-karat gold-plated head flat against your skin and make small circular motions to begin removing unwanted hair. It's super easy to use, perfect for small touch-ups or use on your whole face for a hair-free airbrush look. It's gentle on your skin. The Finishing Touch Flawless requires no soap, water, or lotion when removing your unwanted hair. It's safe for everyday use and ideal for touch-ups in your car, at work, or at home. Once you finish using this fabulous beauty device, it's important to clean the 18-karat gold-plated head for best performance. Make sure the device is off and twist the head counterclockwise and lift off. After each use, clean the head by using the brush that's located in your kit. Gently wipe away any excess hair or residue. Empty any hair from the body of the Flawless unit by turning it over and gently tapping on the sides. To put the head back on, line up the groove indicators on the cap and twist clockwise. You'll hear it snap into place, and then you're ready for your next Flawless experience. For best results, we suggest replacing the head every 3 to 4 months. And if the device ever starts to slow down or get sluggish, be sure to clean out the head. If the problem persists, change the battery. I promise, the Finishing Touch Flawless is going to make your life a whole lot easier. At home, on the road, before a date, I'll pop my new favorite device out anywhere. You'll be using this every day, never again worrying about nicks, cuts, redness, or irritation. Hair? Where?